In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. VLOOKUP is one of Excel's most powerful lookup function. If your data is organized into a vertical column, you can use VLOOKUP function to search for a value in the first column of your data table and return a corresponding value from another column. The easiest way to understand its function is to look at an example. So let's get started. Here we have table of data containing top products. We can use VLOOKUP to locate a quantity based on a particular product. To get started, let's begin by entering the VLOOKUP command. As you can see, VLOOKUP function takes 4 parameters. The first parameter we will enter is the value that we are trying to locate in the first column of the table. In our example, we want to search for a product shoes. The second parameter we will need to enter is the table or the source of the data VLOOKUP will use. The range provided must include both of the first column that will be searched for our first parameter value and the column containing our hopeful result. You are provided either range of cell or named range. For example, we will enter the range A4 to C11. The third parameter we will enter is the position number or the column number in the table where the returned value can be found. A value 1 indicates the first column in the table, value 2 indicates the second column in the table, and the value 3 indicates the third column in the table, and then so on. Since we are looking for a quantity of a product, we will enter 3, which represents cells C4 to C11. Finally, and most importantly, is the VLOOKUP's fourth parameter. This parameter determines whether an exact match or an approximate match will be done when looking for the first parameter. A value of false means the VLOOKUP is looking for an exact match. A value of true means that an approximate or a close match will be returned. Unless you have a specific reason for a close match, you should always use false to return an exact match. Otherwise, the VLOOKUP could return some unexpected results. Now that we have entered all of the VLOOKUP's parameter, let's complete the command to examine the result. You see the quantity 20 is appeared. Quantity 20 that correspond to the top product shoes that we'll search for. Discover the simple formula how to use Excel VLOOKUP's function. Thanks for watching.